Yes, this goes to every student. In anything you do, no matter your qualification, be it BSc, Masters, or whatever qualification you have in the university, get a skill. Try and acquire a skill, even if it's one or two skills. Be it in tech, be it in trade work, or many other things you can do. Acquire a skills with your education. No matter where you find yourself, be it back home in your home country or you find yourself abroad, what will make you successful in life is your skills. As a matter of fact, your education is irrelevant if you don't have a skill in it. So guys, you need to wake up. This is 21st century. Endeavor to add skills in whatsoever thing you're doing. So check my videos and watch skills you need to acquire in order to make money for yourself. Bless up.